Find the surface area volume of the pyramid. So we want the total surface area. So the TSA will be 1/2 PL plus B. And we want the volume. So the volume is going to be 1/3 BH. So we need to find the perimeter, the slant height, the area of the base, and the actual height of the pyramid. Okay, the outside edge is 10. That means from here to here in the middle is 5. We would have a 5, 12, 13 triangle, wouldn't we? This is a Pythagorean triple. So I know my H is 12. My L is 13. Okay, now then draw the base. The area would be 100, and the perimeter would equal to 40. So I know the perimeter, the area of the base, the H, and the L. I can plug into the formulas. Okay, so for the total surface area, 1/2 times the perimeter is 40. My slant height, L, is 13, plus my base is 100. So 1/2 of 40 is 20. 20 times 13 is 260 plus 100. So my TSA, or my total surface area, is 360 meters squared. And my volume is going to be 1/3 times 100. And the height is 12. So 1/3 of 12 is 4. So 4 times 100 would be 400 meters cubed. That was a blast. That's the volume. This is a total surface area. Find the volume of the composite space figure to the nearest 10th. So on this one right here, we have a prism. So our prism is going to be, the volume will be BH, and a cylinder is also going to be BH, but we have 1/2 of the cylinder. Okay, so let's do the prism first. The prism, we want the volume, don't we? So we're going to draw the bottom of the shape. The bottom of the shape, we're going to use this part right here. So we're going to draw the base. It's going to be 5 by 11. The area of the base will be 55, won't it? Okay, so my area of the base is 55. And this will be my height of the prism, 6. And if I multiply that, I get 330. So the box has a volume of 330. Now then, the circle is going to be a little bit different. Let's just draw the prism over here. So we would have this, wouldn't we? And the height would be 11, and the radius, though, is 2.5. Okay, so the base is going to be a circle with a 2.5 radius. We need to do BH. So 2.5 times 2.5 is 6.25. So the area is going to be 6, the big B is going to be 6.25 pi. Okay, so I'm going to have 1/2 parentheses 6.25 pi. And the height is going to be that number right there, 11. Okay, so 1/2 of 11 is 5.5. So 6 to the nearest 10th. So I'm going to get rid of the pi on this. So pi times 6.25 times 5.5 equals 107.992. 107.992 to the nearest 10th. It would be 108.0, wouldn't it? Okay, so if I add those two up, I would get 438 and 0 tenths, and this is in millimeters cubed, which would be